Guys, EOS is down 94% from the high we set in May 2021. Is the bottom of EOS in? Should we be getting more EOS? How will EOS behave in the bear market? How low can EOS go? Should we buy, hold, or sell more EOS? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about an altcoin EOS, currently ranked number 47 on CoinMarketCap. EOS is trading for $0.92. In the last 1 year it has gone as low as $0.85 and as high as $6.3. The question everybody wants answering: what will happen next to EOS? EOS has a market capitalization of $917 million. Should we be buying more EOS or should we be selling all the EOS we have? We'll be looking deeply into the EOS price chart, guys. I'm seeing some sign of light. We're actually looking at that, looking at what the EOS Bitcoin price chart is telling us, what EOS against Ethereum is telling us, because it looks as if a huge reversal is coming. You really want to watch the end of this video to discover what I've seen in the charts. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you won't get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, this is the EOS US dollar price chart on the weekly time frame. Right now, EOS is down over 94% from the high we set in May 2021. And should you be buying more EOS? Should you be selling more EOS? Guys, the bottom of the EOS market might probably be in. EOS used to give us mad returns during the bull run, but during the bear market, guys, EOS dumps hard as the rest of the market. And EOS didn't even get a relief rally since we topped in May 2021, and the market got a relief rally in September. EOS just got to as high as $6.2. Since then, we have been dumping from that $6.2. We're actually still down 85%. Crazy, guys, if you think about it. Bitcoin is currently trading for 21,600. Is this the bottom? Because there's panic in the market. Everybody's talking about how we're going to gobbling town. The Fed is increasing rate, yada. But guys, that's what we expect at the bottom of the market. If you look at this price chart, if you look at all this chart, all the time that it was very bearish, do you think anybody was kumbaya and buying the bottom? Think about what happened right here. I'm sure a lot of people would have been saying EOS is going to zero, yada. Let's just go back into time. In 2018 April, the market was already dumping. As EOS started dumping, guess what? EOS was down already 93% from its all-time high. Do you think people were rushing to buy EOS then thinking a rally will come? No. People were expecting to continue dumping to oblivion. People thought to continue going down. But what happened after that, guys? We had a sweet rally and Bitcoin actually found its bottom. EOS pumped over 400%. Right now, are we in the same situation where maybe we're in the bear market, but it's time for a rally? Because, guys, if we look at it, we have been dumping, and normally all these charts don't fall in a straight line. At some point in time, we'll have a relief rally. At some point in time, everybody that wanted to sell all their coins would have sold their coins. Right now, I think that we're in that point in time. Only time will tell if I'm right, because, guys, if you look at the EOS Bitcoin price chart, something crazy is actually happening right there. Guys, what's happening is that Bitcoin is actually dumping harder than EOS. Who would have assumed that we'll actually have to see that day? EOS against Bitcoin is at an all-time low. This will signify that this is a very good time to be getting EOS if you have Bitcoin. But guys, because we're in the crypto market, Bitcoin is the main asset. Most traders that want comfort or want security trade with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You don't want those risky altcoins because they can dump very hard, but at the same time they can pump very hard. Now, EOS against Bitcoin has been losing value since when it topped April 2018. So except to just believe that EOS will never ever set a new all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing, then there's no hope for EOS. But if you believe that EOS can still set a new all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing, guys, there's still hope for EOS. And the bottom of the market will always be bearish. Right now, people are very bearish. Many people are selling their coins. If you have not sold your coins and you're watching this video, shout out to you. Diamond hands, man. I mean, what's the point of selling right now? Somebody will argue that if you sell right now, you can avoid another 50% dip. But guys, are you trying to tell me that EOS is worth exactly what it was worth in 2017 October? I'm not arguing the market. I'm just saying at some point in time, the bear market, people get irrational. People start making wrong decisions I didn't plan on. Guys, I didn't see EOS getting this low. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I thought EOS won't break below the COVID sell-off support. I didn't know that EOS would break it. As in the markets, strange things happen. EOS broke that support. It is what it is, and we're down more than 50% from that support. Crazy that I thought that this would be the line in the sand. We're down almost 50% from that support. Guys, EOS is cheaper than it was during the COVID sell-off. EOS is cheaper than it was during the time Bitcoin bottom in 2018. Just for context sake, Bitcoin bottomed at $3,000 here. Bitcoin got to $4,000 during the COVID sell-off. Now EOS is cheaper than those two periods in time. Do you think the conditions are worse than those times? During the COVID sell-off, the economy was crashing, stocks were crashing, everything was going down. The Fed had to print trillions and trillions of dollars according to what they told us. Right now, do you think EOS is in worse condition than then? Only time will tell if this was a good time to buy EOS, but guys, from all indications, this will be a very good time to buy EOS. This is not financial advice. Make your decisions by yourself. And we're not seeing a lot of people selling their EOS. There's not a lot of volume. If you want to see people capitulating or you want to see people reversing their action, anybody that would have sold EOS probably already sold. And most of the volume in this chart comes at the top. It's at the top. Retail investors want to buy. Everybody wants to go to the moon. Right now, we're at the bottom. Nobody wants to buy. Even videos you make, nobody wants to watch. Nobody wants to hear about EOS or any other coin because people are tired of losing money. Will this time be different? Guys, I think this time will be different. Only time will tell if I'm right. Guys, if you go on the yearly, we have a lot of coins still in loss. 2022 has not been kind to the crypto market. We entered 2022 with so much hype, so much optimism. Right now, we just have coins that were launched in either 2021 or 2022 still popping. All the coins that were launched in 2019, 2020, most of them are deep in gobbling town. And if you go to the last 1 month in the crypto market, it has really been a rough ride. A lot of these coins are down 40, 50, 70%, EOS included. You can see EOS is holding up, it's down 31% in the last 1 month. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what do you think about this? Will you be flipping your Bitcoin for some EOS? Because guys, this is the cheapest EOS has been against Bitcoin since inception. And if you flip the EOS Bitcoin price chart, meaning if the price is coming down, it means EOS is pumping. If the price is going up, it means EOS is dumping. It looks as if we're at the top. Because if you see this kind of chart right now, you assume that, man, EOS has topped already. But if you realize that this is the inverse chart of EOS, it means we're due for a dump downward. Because guys, anything that goes up very quickly will come down very quickly. But at the same time, not everything that goes down very quickly will come up. So the probability of it pumping is still very slim. But guys, the whole macro condition is not favorable for any pump right now. EOS against Ethereum is performing not crazy, but guys, EOS is positive against Ethereum, which is crazy. A lot of people are running from all these altcoins into Bitcoin and Ethereum. For safety, EOS in the last 1 month is up 23% against Ethereum. Mad. Now, in the hindsight, it might be that because a lot of big investors or a lot of international investors have only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and right now that the whole market is down, they're actually selling their Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin and Ethereum are facing so much downward pressure. And a lot of these altcoins don't have institutional investors in them and just retail investors, and retail investors have left the market since. Maybe that's why altcoins are cheap right now. Nobody can tell. A lot of uncertainty in the market. But guys, if there's anything we're very sure of is that when the uncertainty in the market, that's the time you want to be buying altcoins. That's the time you want to be doing research into those coins that will 10x. You might probably get a 10x during the bull run, but guys, during the bear market is where you get a lot of 10x and 100x opportunity. EOS, I feel, is one of those coins that probably 10x in the future. I might be wrong. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in the chat. Everybody's overly bearish right now. It makes no sense to be overly bearish with everybody. And at this point in time, EOS is actually outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's a very good sign. The EOS market cap chart is dumping very hard. EOS market cap has gone below $1 billion for the first time since 2017. Crazy things are happening. For context sake, if Bitcoin was doing what EOS was doing, guys, Bitcoin would be trading for $5,000. That's what Bitcoin was trading for in 2017. I can see that $5,000 is still above the bottom for Bitcoin in 2018 and the COVID sell-off that happened in 2020. But EOS is trading below those range. So what's wrong with EOS? Is the project dead? Is EOS dead? Will EOS ever rise again? That's the question I want answers to. And right now, there's no answer because there's uncertainty in the market. Guys, I still believe EOS will rise again. I still believe EOS will get to new all-time highs. It just takes time. If this is the bottom of the market, EOS can reach a market capitalization of, wait for it, over 81 billion. And no, you're watching this video wondering how in hell will EOS ever pump when Bitcoin is dumping, when the whole market is dumping. Guys, all it takes is one positive news for the market to reverse. Think about what happened in 2020. The market was tanking and Bitcoin got to as low as 40k in 1 month period. EOS dumped over 72%. Right now, in the last 2 months, EOS has dumped how many percent? 70%. Looks as if history is repeating itself. Are we going to get good news at the bottom right here that will take us to the moon? Only time will tell, guys. Where can EOS go in the next bull run, or how high can it go if we get positive news? The next logical level, guys, will just be one step at a time. Let's get to 1.9 first. That's a 100% pump from where we are. If we can cross through 1.9, then maybe we can get to 3.8. Then we'll now be thinking of $10. But guys, I still believe EOS can get to $50. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you holding your EOS through the bear market, or are you going to sell your EOS, get some Bitcoin? And I showed you guys, it looks as if in the last 1 month, EOS is performing better than Bitcoin. We can't predict the future, but if we're going to go by the past, it looks as if maybe EOS are performing Bitcoin, or this is just a stop to more goblin town. EOS against Bitcoin is at an all-time low. EOS against Ethereum is at the lows. It has been here since December 2021 when Ethereum was 4,800. Right now, EOS is still there. Drop your thoughts in the comment section on what are you doing with your EOS. Are you buying? Are you selling? Or are you holding through the bear market? The chart is telling us that the bottom is almost in. If we lose where we are right now, the next logical place for EOS will be between $0.65, or we might set a new all-time low. The all-time low for EOS is 0.48. Crazy if you think about it. That's a 50% dump from where we are right now, guys. You know, all coins can actually dump 50% in one day. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1